Hey guys, Consumer Compute here, back again with the second video of the REVVL series unboxings. Let's get into the unboxing of T-Mobile's first tablet, the REVVL TAB 5G. Looking at the back of the box, the two main pieces of information that it gives you is first all the radio bands, and then second that this tablet offers a limited 2-year warranty. Retail price is $235. That's with activation fee. Main features of this tablet is the 10.5 inch display, a 700 megahertz battery, and dual camera system. This battery is a big bonus, almost offering a week of standby time. Looking inside the box, we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This tablet offers 5G cellular service, so we have our SIM ejector tool. Also, we have the manual as well as the warranty. I think one important thing that's missing is a charging brick, especially if this is their first tablet. They're kind of like assuming that the consumer may own a charging brick. For me, this is a disappointment. Again, the big feature of this is that it has dual cameras. The back of the tablet's main camera is an 8 megapixel camera, and we have a 2 megapixel depth camera, as well as a flash. On the side, we have speakers as well as a USB port. On this side here, we have a microphone, we have the volume up and down, and the power button. Move over here, we have the other speaker. So yes, this system has stereo speakers, and we also have our SIM slot. The main disappointment here is there's no fingerprint reader. Then pulling the sticker off the tablet, we have a almost 10.5 inch screen, which it's 10.36 inches. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and look forward towards my next video, which I'm going to be more in depth of using the T-Mobile REVVL 6X Pro. So that would be that second series of video towards that phone. If you haven't seen the unboxing yet, come back to my channel and go take a look at it. Thanks again. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you next time.